Have you ever dreamed of earning passive income doing something creative without needing design skills, tech knowledge, or even experience? Well, what if I told you that you can now create and sell professional, ready-to-publish coloring books in just 30 seconds using nothing but AI? Before I reveal how, make sure to hit subscribe and tap that bell so you never miss a life-changing AI tool that can build your business. Meet ColorBooks AI, the world's first AI-powered app that turns any text, prompt, or image into a stunning, ready-to-sell coloring book. It's like having your own design team, illustrator, and publisher all working for you 24/7 while you sleep. No skills, no coding, no monthly fees, just pure creativity and profit. Let's be honest. Creating coloring books the old way is slow, expensive, and frustrating. Hiring designers can cost hundreds per book, and doing it manually takes weeks. But what if AI could do everything for you, beautifully, instantly, and ready to sell? With ColorBooks AI, you simply log in, type a few words, like cute animals or Christmas mandalas, and boom, your entire coloring book is auto-generated in seconds. Want to go further? Instantly turn those books into 3D animated flipbooks for digital publishing. And yes, you get 25,000 plus done-for-you books you can rebrand, resell, or give away, all from one dashboard. Thousands are already using it. Artflair says, it's a total game changer for my KDP business. Justin O says, it's like having a designer working for me 24/7. And Prabhat turned his side hustle into a full-time income stream using nothing but ColorBooks AI. Over 10,000 happy users, teachers, freelancers, parents, and publishers are already profiting. And the best part? It's not $97 a month like other tools. It's a one-time payment of just $17 today. You'll also get exclusive bonuses. Kid Games Creator app, ebook maker 400 plus, kids, bedtime stories, audiobooks, maker AI free drive. Hosting all with full commercial and PLR rights so you keep 100% of the profits. So if you're ready to turn your ideas into income, if you're ready to create, publish, and profit with AI, click the link below, grab ColorBooks AI now before the price goes up, and start your own creative empire today. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful AI tools that change lives. Your journey to freedom starts now.